Something feels off in DJI's roadmap right now. The upgrades are getting smaller, but expectations are getting bigger. That gap is exactly where the Mavic 5 Pro rumors are starting to build pressure. Not as another release, but as a drone that might need to prove DJI still leads, not just iterates. The Mavic 5 Pro rumor cycle is growing around one central idea: refinement may no longer be enough. After the Mavic 3 Pro introduced the triple camera concept, and the newer Mavic 4 Pro pushed further with extended flight time, improved sensing, and more advanced imaging, expectations for a Mavic 5 Pro have shifted toward a larger leap. Current speculation points to a revised Hasselblad main sensor, potentially using stacked architecture or much stronger computational imaging for dynamic range and low light. Even more interesting are repeated claims around upgraded telephoto modules, which could finally make secondary lenses feel as usable as the main camera. But the bigger story may be autonomy. Social discussion increasingly frames the Mavic 5 Pro as a possible AI-forward platform, with LiDAR-assisted sensing, smarter subject prediction, and more reliable low-light obstacle avoidance. If that materializes, it would be a more meaningful jump than simple resolution increases. A 50-plus minute endurance target also keeps appearing, suggesting efficiency gains could be another headline improvement. 8K capture is rumored too, though far less certain. Competition may be influencing those expectations. With consumer rivals thinning, Autel's consumer retreat has fueled debate around reduced pressure on DJI. Many believe DJI may answer not against direct competitors, but against its own Mavic 4 Pro. Still, enterprise-focused players like Skydio continue pushing autonomy concepts, and that could shape where DJI goes next. Compared with Mavic 3 Pro, the expected gains look substantial in sensing, endurance, and telephoto practicality. Compared with Mavic 4 Pro, improvements may feel more workflow-driven, potentially targeting serious creators rather than casual pilots. And that may be the real expectation: not simply a better folding drone, but a compact aerial platform that starts blurring the line between prosumer Mavic and lightweight cinema tool. Thanks for watching. If even half these leaks prove true, the Mavic 5 Pro could become DJI's most interesting flagship in years. But do you think DJI needs radical innovation, or just a refined Mavic 4 Pro evolution? Drop your thoughts below. Which rumored upgrade matters most to you: imaging, autonomy, or flight time?